Welcome to Sigzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to create payment terms in ERP Next. Now, go to Payment Terms list by searching Payment Terms list in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Payment Term. Set payment term name, invoice portion, mode of payment, and credit days. Go to the Discount Settings section and set the discount type, discount, and discount validity. Give the description of the payment. Click on Save. Go to the Payment Terms template by searching Payment Terms template in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Payment Terms template. Set the template name. Go to the Payment Terms table. Set the payment term, description, invoice portion, due date based on and credit days. Click on Save. Now, go to the Connections section and click the Add button for the customer. Click on Edit Full Form. Set the customer name, customer type, customer group, and territory. Now, go to the Accounting tab and the Credit Limit and Payment Terms section. You will see that the sales template will automatically be fetched from the Payment Terms template. Click on Save. Now, go to Sales Order List by searching Sales Order List in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Sales Order. Set the customer name. Now, go to the Currency and Price List section and set the price list. Now, go to the Items section and set the item code, delivery date, quantity, rate, and amount. Now, go to the Terms tab and check whether it is fetched from the Payment Terms template. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Now, you will go to Payment Terms Status Report by searching Payment Terms Status Report in the Awesome bar. You will see the report fetched automatically from the sales order. Congratulations, you have completed payment terms in ERP Next.